Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Neewer F100 field monitor, so stay tuned. So today we have a field monitor from Neewer, or Neewer, depending on where you are and how you would like to pronounce it. We're going to unbox this and let's take a look and see what it comes with. Plus we'll go over a few of its features. So let's jump right into it. Take a look at what we have here. Let's get into it and take a look and see. Open this up. Comes packaged very nicely, as you could tell. Hard to get the box open. So here's the display itself. So here's where all your adapters go, your outs, your HDMI out, your AV out, a headphone. Here's for your external battery. And then keep in mind, guys, it does not come with a battery. And then your quarter 20 adapter. Sounds very nice, huh? Beautiful little LCD screen. Very lightweight. With a battery, it comes in at around 400 grams weight-wise. Let's see what else is in the box. Customer service card. Instruction manual. So here is the hood. Your HDMI, your AV cable, and a little bracket to hold the HDMI in. You can see the bracket in there. AV cable, HDMI. So here's the other part. It's a two-piece for the hood. Another cable. And here is your hot shoe with a ball mount. Goes right into the quarter 20. So this is how you adjust the ball mount for the quarter 20 that goes onto the bottom. And the shoe, hot shoe. So your AV cable, it's nice. And so here's something, is the little bracket to keep the cable in when you plug it to the side. So when the cable is plugged in, this bracket goes here and holds it so the cable does not pull out. But keep in mind, you cannot use this bracket with the hood. But it's handy if you're not using it outside with the hood on. So it's Velcro. Let's see what we have here. There's the batteries. So keep in mind, guys, it was ordered separately. There is some kits on Amazon or B&H that you can find that comes with the batteries, but the one that we bought does not come with a battery. Your battery charger. Pretty exciting. Charging cable, and it has a little LED display on it as well. And so the kit that we got comes with 2 batteries. Well, there we go. So you can just plug it straight into your computer, or if you have a separate wall mount for the charger. So it's not plugged into anything, of course. Be sure and turn your volume all the way down when you first get it, because it'll get feedback when you first go to plug it in. So you're on and off, different modes, your menu settings, so you can change your different contrasts, picture mode, your brightness. Brightness is at 50, which is fine for indoors, but change it for outside with your hood on. And then they already have some presets here. This is your focus assist. So some of the things that we're really excited about, if you've never used a field monitor, this is an IPS, in plane switching. Well, what does that mean? It gives you some of the best viewing angles. So imagine if multiple people are standing around looking at a field monitor. From multiple angles, you are getting the best image, the most accurate. It has some of the best colors. So cannot wait to get this hooked up and see what this looks like. So such a stark contrast between using the small little monitor that's on our camera. Again, imagine you and someone else trying to get in there and look at this little monitor. Can you really see whether or not you're getting the best footage? Whether or not you're getting the best photo? No, but you can on a field monitor. So if you're really trying to get that cinematic look, if you're really trying to get those beautiful product shots, invest in a field monitor. So something to keep in mind, guys, is this is a budget field monitor. So when I say budget, it's not $600, it's not $500, $400, $200. This is around $100. So keep that in mind. Keep in mind also, it does not include a battery. But for just the field monitor itself, it's about $100. So of course, we will always leave links down below to where you can pick this up. We'll leave a link down below where it includes the battery as well. So around $100, you cannot beat that. Such a bang for your buck. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked. Be sure and hit that like button if you liked it, and hit the like button if you didn't like it. And please do not hit that subscribe button, and do not hit the bell icon. I'm really just trying to keep this channel really small. So if you're looking to subscribe to somebody, don't subscribe to me, subscribe to somebody else, someone who's big that has, you know, like 17 million subscribers. Until next time, you guys have a great day.